Tactical protection review. Oh, pepper spray. Kicking it off. Pepper spray. Pepper spray didn't work. We'll come back to that. Punches. Punches. Lots of punches. Punches. Takedown.
Guys, please stop. Guys, please stop.
Get my legs in there.
Yes, come. Yes. Please. Yes. You call for 911.
Pulls him off.
He's spraying. He's spraying.
Long-haired dude spraying people.
Thanks very much. Yeah.
Looks like it's outside of the gym. Okay.
You stay here.
Don't get ran over, lady. All right, check it out. Boom! What's up, you guys? Byron Rodgers, Tactical Protection Review. Learn protection strategies from a protection professional. What do I see when I see this? When I see this altercation? All right, two guys squaring off in the parking lot. The first thing I see is the fact that this guy and this guy can get away. Like, you really, if you don't need the drama in your life, you don't need the drama in your life. I'm too busy winning to square off with some dude in a parking lot. I mean, he had to do something really egregious. Yeah, I mean, like, really egregious. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got too many things to do. You know what I mean? I'm sorry. You know, you don't have to say sorry. Like, I just don't care, right? Like, first thing, build a life where little things like this, you can just let them go because you have things, other things that are just too important to you, right? Either way, these two guys are about to get after it. None of them want to use faster than you food and leave. Fine. For all you ladies out there that are running around talking about you got pepper spray in your bag that's going to stop a grown man from doing what he wants to do to you, I just want you to see the real world effectiveness of pepper spray, because that's what it is. Little pepper spray. As you can see here, he sprays the guy. The guy's like, oh, I got something in my eyes. He closes his eyes and he starts beating the crap out of him, right? Imagine, just ask yourself, ladies, if you would be able to endure something like this. Keep in mind, these guys are the same strength, essentially somewhat the same strength, same body mass, same muscle density, same testosterone level, essentially. You know what I mean? But these dudes are mauling each other, bro. They're mauling each other. They're mauling each other. I just want you guys to get some realistic optics on the reality of these little pepper sprays people be buying and putting in their purses. That's if you can even get to it, because there's a whole, in a violent altercation, you very well may have to earn your draw, something Craig Douglas talks about. You're gonna have to earn that draw, okay? So whatever weapon you have, you need to have it in a place that you can access it in instance if you need it. So I just want you guys to realize that you probably shouldn't place your life or anything else you really care about on the heels of something like pepper spray, in my personal opinion, because I mean, men fight through that stuff. All your military units and law enforcement units are trained to fight through that stuff, right? And a lot of criminals fight through that stuff. So I just don't want you out there kidding yourself. We all know what the ultimate equalizer is. It's a handgun, lawfully carrying a handgun. So blades are a good thing too. So now we see these guys fighting each other. Lots of blows to the body, blows to the head. I want you guys to just really notice this part of the battle here. They're grabbing, they're squirming, they're blowing, punching each other. This is some, violent encounter, and self-defense is all about a race to catastrophic damage. So these guys are sitting here, they're striking each other, they're not really damaging each other. No one's really damaging anyone. They're relying on pain and things like that. None of these shots are anything but superficial. If you're really in a life-threatening situation and you're in a violent encounter, it is a race to cause the most catastrophic damage. You need to understand. That's why you need to spend time training on how to actually injure the human body. Now, honestly, I don't really get the feeling that either of these guys are really that serious. But I just want you guys to see how in this altercation, like, this is like schoolyard fight centric stuff. Like, I'm glad neither of these guys got injured, you know what I mean? But I'm just saying, I want you to see how effective using pain to stop a human being is, because it's not effective. On a normal day, sure, if I hit that guy in the stomach, yeah, it would hurt him. But in the middle of a fight, when his adrenaline is charged up, he's gonna take a lot of hits. He's gonna get pepper sprayed. He's not gonna feel any of this until tomorrow. Look at that. Some good little hits in there. He's not gonna feel any of this stuff till tomorrow. So if you're trying to survive a violent encounter, you're not gonna use pain to do it. You need to actually damage the human body in a number of different ways. That's how you survive an encounter like this, with an actual legitimate threat, right? And either guy could have got injured in this situation, and either a guy could have, it could have ended really badly. But in my opinion, you've got to understand what to do in these types of situations in order to actually defend yourself. Do not put your safety. And another thing too, notice the context. We're in a transitional space, of course, right? Now you guys are going to start getting down with the terminology and the technology we're using. So I don't have to, reteach it every time, but we're in a transitional space. This is going down, but understand, don't put your safety on the line because you are relying on something like pepper spray. Yeah, they make, extra bad ones and stuff like that. But really, really think deeply about that. You know what I'm saying? A weapon's not bad. It's the person using the weapon that's good or bad, right? Weapons are indifferent. Tools are indifferent, right? The second thing I'd say is notice how effective pain was in stopping or changing the outcome in this altercation. Pain did nothing to cause one man to win or lose. One man got an advantage because he calmed down and deliberately swept a leg, hooked a leg, and actually got a takedown. So what you see here is tactics are superior in the middle of a fight rather than just trying to use pain compliance. All right, you guys, come train with us from the comfort of your own home or at our live events at protectorsymposium.com. This is Byron Rodgers, protector by nature and by trade, reminding you to be peaceful but not harmless. Out. Boom.